So yesterday after the festival, we ended up making our way to Baguio where Ate Wami has her cafe here. So now we're at her cafe. We just stayed overnight.
Masarap yung cafe. Tsaka yung cake ni Ate Wami dito kasi unlimited. Alam niyo ba, ito lahat ng cake na to. Ito lahat matitikman niyo pag nag-dine-in kayo. Unlimited pa siya. Unlimited cake siya, tsaka unlimited coffee for just 189 pesos. Yan, yung mga pagkain nila. Diba, murang-mura lang. And meron akong soya milk here. Kasi Jeremy, yung very, very strong coffee niya.
The coffee's really good. Ang sarap.
Kaway ka. Hi! Hanap na naman si John at si Grace. Asan na kayo?
Okay, ito yung morning ritual ko. Just relax in the morning, looking around, thinking. I don't usually have much to say in the morning.
Ito yung yung pinikpikan. I'll let you try later.
Yay! Ito lang ganiso with the twist ni Ate Wami sa Igorot Charm Cafe. Na-feature siya sa ABS-CBN and sa GMA. Ganun kasikat sa Ate Wami.
Yung yung smoked meat. Yung we call it kiniing. Yun yung masarap. Ang at saka yung lasa, at saka yung amoy niya, di ba? Kaya ba siya? So, yun. With the herbs.
Ano lang pinikpikan natin?
Yung pinikpikan, yun yung nagpasarap din sa manok. Yung smoked meat naman yung pinausukan. Yun yung, kaya yung flavor din ng sabaw, smoke yung flavor yun.
We're just chilling here in Baguio for the rest of the day. We're just hanging out at Ate Wami's cafe, Igorot Charm Cafe. Make sure you come and check this out. It's so nice. Their food is so good. They've been featured on ABS-CBN, GMA, local TV stations here because of their really good food. Really foggy day here in Baguio. Nice and cool, cozy. We're just having a really chill day, drinking tea, coffee, telling stories. I love it up here in the mountains. Tapoy.
Tapoy!
Yan, okay na.
Hi guys, we're back and here's our tour guide again, Miss Jonna Louise.
Tour guide talaga.
Hindi siya tour guide ngayon, naka-off siya. Off duty siya ngayon. Kasi si Gracia.
Yeah.
Henna.
Nice to meet you.
Mama's gonna make me a cup of coffee.
There you go.
Thank you. Thanks, Ate Wami. Let's see what's going on in the kitchen.
This is my best song.
This is Matthew. Hi Matthew. Uh-oh. Wait for 5 minutes.
Demogorgon, Gemlong's hot sauce Demogorgon, Carolina Reaper, Trinidad Morga Scorpion, Ghost Pepper. One more. Oh, it's the third.
Ay, grabe siya!
Hindi ko nakikita. Wala! Kaya ka.
Yung mga ng wine.
Ano sa wine?
Nakakatanggal siya na.
Wait, I ate 3 of them.
Kaya yan.
Yung wine.
Oh, now I can feel the tip of my tongue. Antidote.
They're finding like cell phones. And then they're gonna take
video today of Ate Wami's Cafe. Yay, time to eat! We were waiting so long while we were shooting, we were getting so hungry. Now we can finally eat!
Mga takuan. Mga tako amin.
So, ooh, nahiya si ate girl.
It was raining all day today and yesterday, so today we decided to do a fun photo video shoot for Ate Wami's Cafe here, Igorot's Charm. Had a lot of fun. We ate so much because we had to take pictures of all the food. But yeah, we're heading back to Manila now, the end of our trip. What a fun time. This area up north, Luzon, one of my favorites.
Ate Mami, salamat sa pag-adapt sa amin, sa pag-ampon sa amin, sa pagpakain sa amin, pagpalaki ng tiyan namin.
Miss you ako. Kala nyo.
Make sure to come to Igorot's Charm Cafe in Baguio.
Alala! Tahimik na ulit yung cafe mo!
Bye video.